Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Alif Ikmal from BA 2495B. I will present for the subject of Islamic Banking and Financial Services ISB 547 under Sir Faizal. My topic is about the Fintech Investments. Basically, what is Fintech? Fintech is derived from combination of the words finance and technology. Fintech is utilized to help everyone who is in need to manage their financial operations accordingly or properly, such as business owner, an officer, and any kinds of occupation as long you are doing the banking transactions. Fintech is the enhancement of financial technology in the 21st century. Yes, you can still go to the ATM bank. You can still go to the cash deposit machine. You can still do manually. You can still visit the banking branch. But with this kind of technology, all banks have all banks have its own banking app such as CIMB Click, Maybank to You, and it describes a variety of financial activities with the addition of the emergence of smartphone. If you have smartphone, you can install the banking app either in the Google Play Store or in the Apple Store. But you can also you can also interact with the banking app through the website. Just click, for example, Maybank to You, and it appears in the Google. Normally, if people want to transfer the money, they have to go to the bank. But with this kind of technology, especially during this pandemic, we are forced to stay at home, so we can use this platform to manage our financial properly. When we talk about fintech, there are many kinds of fintech such as fintech insurance, and for my part, I will explain about fintech investment. There are many kinds of fintech stocks such as financial software, financial services. The example of financial software we can be seen as like SQL, buku accounting, and the other types of fintech stocks are online and mobile banking, peer-to-peer lending, person-to-person payment, and of course payment processing. The five top in fintech stock investments are Square, PayPal, Goldman Sachs, Green Dot, Mercado Libre. What are the functions of these fintech stock investments? Okay, as we know, in Malaysia, we have our own stock market platforms such as Bursa Saham. In Syariah Bursa Saham, we have Bursa Suksila. In gold investment, we have Arahnu. For fintech stock investment, these are the top that everyone knows. Goldman Sachs, currently, we always heard about the issues between our former prime minister and with the operation of 1MDB. And however, like PayPal usually people used to buy things through online platform. If you can see, at the end of your checkout in the shopping cart, there are many choices that you can choose on how to pay, on how to purchase the product. One of it is PayPal. Basically, this is where people can use this platform to buy everything through online. No need to go traditionally to the market, to the ATM banks, and this these fintech stock investments are showing that Malaysians are in line with the technology, are in line with the modern industry of the first 21st century. For the conclusion, okay, I have one question. Are fintech stocks cyclical? Generally speaking, yes. Fintech stock or fintech investment are cyclical business for the most part. They largely perform in the correlation with consumer spending and business investment. As it can be seen, not all fintech stocks are equally cyclical, but for example, the companies that develop technology for insurance companies are not inherently cyclical size cyclical since insurance is a rather recession resistant business. Another part, companies that develop payment technologies which are more vulnerable to the effects of market forces are more likely to experience significant slowdowns during recessions. Those five stocks that I mentioned just now is the best platform for anyone to invest. And of course, it is the stock list are cyclical business, and it is a good platform for everyone to choose to invest. Thank you.